Three, dali group yung segundo three.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ay, wrong of calculation. 3. Ano na, o sige, dihan na lang ka. Nya ikaw, 3. Okay, so 4 lang mo ha. Naatay may tabong X. Hi. Kita mo siya lang. Okay, this is group 1. Glidal's group is group 1. Now, since di lang dabot ang microphone, so we have to move closer. Come here. The 4 of you is group 1. Taas na. Wow, ang bundang itong microphone, no? So, kung di madam, usta na pero still badaghan. 1, this is group 1. This is group 2. Come here, here. Group 2. You are group 3. Asan isa? O, diri mo. Group 3. Group 4, diri. Di maapot ang wifi niya. Group 4. Ay, 5 din. O, diyan na. Itago lang sila diyan. Diri, group 4.
Mara.
I mean 5 ay group 6. Ano ka mo naman guma? Ama isa. O, ni commercial break pang isa, no? And this is group 7. Okay, our first game is what we call again the animal sound. So you have to make the sound of the animals. But first, we'll have to try if you know what is the sound of the animals. First, what is the sound of the dog? Very good. What is the sound of the cat? No. What is the snack lang siya? What is the sound of the pig? Boys, where have you been? Oh, go to your group now. Okay, is that your group? Yes, is that a popcorn? Okay, what is the sound of the tiger? Snake. Bird. Frog. What's the frog guy? What is the sound of the dinosaur? Very good. So I guess you already know the sound of the animals. But this time we'll have a short break because excuse me, Magi Motor. This portion is brought to you by Honda Motorcycle. Yeah. Okay, now this time I will be assigning you to a particular animal. Then you will make the sound of it. So for example, group 1. Girls, you are the cat. Meow, meow, cat, meow. Group 1 is the cat. You should remember you are cat. So you will make the sound of the cat only. Because the cat lagi tumutingog, ha? When they say, I want to hear the sound of the dog. Don't make the sound of the dog. Cat lagi mo, okay? So that is the boss, everyone. Okay, group 2. You are the tiger. Tiger. What is the sound of tiger? Group 2 is the tiger. Where is group 3? Come on. Okay, you are the frog. Okay, together. Frog. Yes, group 3 is the frog, the cat, the tiger, and the frog. And you are the bird. Bird. Very good. And you are the... Oh, bak pwede na init na siya. Bird. And you are the pig. Pig. Okay, again. Where are the cats? I wanna hear the tiger. Where are the frogs? Where are the birds? Where are the... I forgot. Where are the pigs? Okay, very good. So you have to remember what animal are you, huh? Then, you will only make the sound of your animal. So, once kayo nyo ang animals, you will make that sound. But, kung dili nyo ang animals, don't make a sound. Kaya kung tingog kayo mo, that means you will be out. Okay? Is that understood, everyone? Hintay, wak ang sabot, taas ang noun. Wak ang sabot? Sabot eh. Taas ang noun. Okay, ready? This is a trial game. Okay, katong newcomers, i-answer na lang sa ipat-upat na lang sila dahil. Then, tell them what animals mo. Oh, diri siya. Ha? Oh, diri. Oh, sige lang, okay na na. Madala nag-smile. Ready? Where are the cats? I wanna hear the tiger. Frog. That means out na tamo, but that was a trial. Yung trial pa man to. Ayaw lang mo make the sound if that is not your animal, okay? So this time, this is the proper game. By the way, ang makadaog aning a game will receive 1-year contract sa, 1-year supply sa Pau de Arco o Lion Tiger sa Tol. Ha? Okay, so ready? Where are the birds? I wanna hear the cat. Tiger. Frog. Bird. Oink din nun. Pig. Pig. Bird. Bird. Cat. Cat. Bird. Tiger. Tiger. Frog. Cat. Tiger. Frog. Bird. Pig. Pig, 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 tiger, 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 pig, 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 cat, 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 tiger, bird, tiger, cat. Oh, I told you. What am I going to do? Okay, I'm so sorry, boys. You are out. Okay, better luck next game. Okay, move over. Ready? Where are the pig? I wanna hear the cat. Frog. Bird. Tiger. Did somebody make a sound? Wala eh. Where are the cat? Bird. Tiger. 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 Ah! I'm so sorry, Aura. Ayaw pa daw clown kay super tintalog yung sila ng mutingog mo. Okay, ready? Birds, dream of birds. Okay, ang naibilin is the cat, the bird, and the pig. Ready? Where are the birds? Cat. Bird. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl. Bird is out. Oh, lingkod sa. Wow, for the grand finale, we have the bird and the pig. Ready? Where are the pigs? Cat. Bird. Pig. Bird. Pig. Bird. Bird, 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 pig, 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 bird, 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 pig, 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 bird, pig, bird, pig, bird, pig, bird, pig, 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 bird, 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 bird. Okay, I'm so sorry, pig. The winners are the bird. Okay, round of applause, everyone. Okay, Jerry, come on, Pat.